have you heard about the 19-year-old former stripper who is suing a Florida attorney general and 2 local prosecutors to stop a law that requires you to be 21 in order to work in any type of adult entertainment business?
No, I have not.
Okay, so Serenity Bashi claims in a lawsuit that she lost her job at Cafe Risque because of this law, because now the age typically was 18, but now they upped it to 21 in order to work at any type of adult establishment. She says that it's intruding on her rights to be able to work where she wants to work. And the law, they said, was passed so it could combat human trafficking, which I kind of don't get the correlation between someone willingly working as a stripper being of age 18 versus someone being forced. And I'm not sure if they would work at a legal establishment. I don't know.
Okay, so if it's to combat human trafficking, for one thing, you're doing the wrong thing. Because human trafficking, you won't just go to an actual established place where, like, to my understanding, those, like, strip clubs and everything else is already heavily restricted. Hell, just getting alcohol out of there is kind of hard. But the things in human trafficking have to do is places you won't expect. Like, nope, everybody would expect a strip club to be human trafficking. And plus, the strippers talk to many clients. So easily, they could whisper into somebody's ear, help me, call the police, easily, while doing that quote-unquote job or being human trafficked. Like, places that usually get human trafficked are like restaurants, places that you don't know.
Right, I would think if you were looking for like adult entertainment and in the scenario of, you know, it was illegal, I would think you would go somewhere more underground, not somewhere public. But like I said, I don't know. This doesn't actually also just apply to strippers who are working in the clubs. This expands to hiring cooks, DJs, waitresses, and security guards. So these people are out of those type of jobs. And I think it's been 18 forever. I don't agree with it. I think you should be able to, if you're an adult and you say 18 is if you could join the military at 18, then if you want to work in the adult entertainment industry, you should be allowed to. I don't think it should be restricted.
Yeah, based on that standpoint, if as soon as we turn 18 we can fight and die for our country, why can't you just, get a job that you want?
Right. And some people, put themselves through school, or maybe they're paying off something, or hell, maybe they just want to do it. There was a video clip that I listened to, and this owner of a dance studio where she trains strippers how to dance, she said that she thinks it's intruding on their rights of like expression.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, it's a type of dance in a way.
Well, that's what it is. People.
It's an expression of
it.
Yeah, it's an expression of movement, or it's just dance. So it really does restrict the arts in a way.
It does. And I don't understand. I know we were going to talk about this, but we didn't get around to being able to talk about it. But if you don't know, there was a possible ban on, I'm going to just say so we don't get too censored, P-Hub. If you know what I'm talking about, it's an adult video site.
Orange and black logo, you know the one.
Right. Where when you were going on the site, it would pop up, you had so many days. But luckily there was a judge in Indiana who blocked this law because we're adults. We should be able to make our own decisions and not have the government step in. And I think this is government overreach. I think in both scenarios, like you're telling me that I can't access, these adult sites unless I have to upload my ID and give it to a complete stranger under the guise of this is to protect children. I think people need to be parents and monitor their own children. It shouldn't fall on me and other people to do that for you.